Title of the first section today is Adding Polynomials. First question, 3y to the second power plus 2, and underneath we'll have a plus sign, and we'll have 4y to the second power plus 4. And then we can draw a line under each of these for the addition. Adding polynomials, this is a vertical addition. We're going to add straight down. If we have 3y squared plus 4y squared, 3 plus 4 would be 7. And when you add similar variables or like variables, y squared would stay the same. So 3y squared plus 4y squared is 7y squared. And last part, 2 plus 4 would be 6. So our final answer is 7y squared plus 6. Second question. 5x to the third power plus 4x minus 3. And again, underneath we'll have an addition sign, and we'll add to that 2x to the third power minus 2x plus 2. Again, for a vertical addition, we can add straight down for all the like terms. 5x to the third power plus 2x to the third power would be 7x to the third power. 4x plus a negative 2x, or 4x minus 2x, would be positive 2x. And negative 3 plus 2 would be negative 1. So our final answer is 7x to the third power plus 2x minus 1. And last question for the section. In parentheses, 8a to the second power plus 1, close parentheses, plus a second set of parentheses, 12a squared plus 6a plus 4. In this section, instead of vertical addition where we can add straight down, this is called horizontal addition, where it's all written in a single line. To add these together, we can add the like terms. Like terms, again, have the same variable and same exponent. So if we have 8a squared, we can add to that 12a squared. 8a squared plus 12a squared would be 20a squared. The next variable that we have, we don't have any single a's in the first parentheses, but we do have a 6a in the second parentheses. Since there's no other a's, the 6a would stay the same. And the last numbers that we can add are the constants or single numbers. 1 plus 4 would be 5. The answers we want written in standard form, which, if you remember, are highest exponents to lowest exponents. So our final answer would be 20a squared plus 6a plus 5. Title of the last section today is Subtracting Polynomials. First question, 5x plus 4, and underneath we'll have a minus sign, and inside parentheses 3x plus 1. Just like before, we can take these two polynomials and subtract vertically. First term 5x minus 3x would be 2x. And the second term, keep in mind we're subtracting, 4 minus 1, which will be 3. So our final answer, 2x plus 3. Second question, 6x plus 2. And underneath we have a minus sign, and inside parentheses 3x minus 3. Again, subtracting vertically, 6x minus 3x would be 3x. And keep in mind we're always subtracting the numbers, so we'll have 2 minus a negative 3. If you remember from previous sections, a minus, this would actually change to adding 3. So 2 minus a negative 3 is the same as 2 plus 3, which would be 5. So our final answer, 3x plus 5. Next question, 7a squared plus 4a minus 8. And underneath minus sign, and inside parentheses 3a squared minus 2a plus 10. Again, since this is subtraction, we'll subtract vertically straight down each of the numbers with like terms. 7a squared minus 3a squared would be 4a squared. When you subtract, the exponents would stay the same. 4a minus a negative 2a. When we subtract a negative again, minus a minus, this will actually be adding. So we'll have 4a plus 2a, which should be 6a. And last term, negative 8 minus 10. Negative 8 minus 10. Both have the same signs, so we can add those, and we'll have minus 18. So our final answer, 4a squared plus 6a minus 18. And last question for the section. In parentheses, 17 n to the 4th power plus 2 n to the 3rd power, close parentheses, minus, inside a second parentheses, 10 n to the 4th power plus n to the 3rd power. Like before, when we have two parentheses side by side, we can still subtract, and this would be the horizontal subtraction. We'll subtract the common terms from each parentheses. So we have 17 n to the 4th minus the next n to the 4th, which is 10 n to the 4th. So 17 n to the 4th minus 10 n to the 4th would be 7 n to the 4th. And the other like terms, n to the 3rd power. We have 2n to the 3rd power, and keep in mind we're subtracting n to the 3rd. So 2n to the 3rd minus 1n to the 3rd would be 1n to the 3rd, or n to the 3rd power. So our final answer, 7n to the 4th plus n to the 3rd.